The web has been dispersing plentiful data on a dynamic blockchain stage, and its convenience and security-related highlights. On numerous occasions, the half-and-half agreement system of blockchain and different tokens rotating around it has additionally been in warm conversations. Before we dive into the REN cost expectation, let us examine a portion of the insights about the coin. REN, the brains behind the game. Everything started with two cohorts at Australian Public College by name of Tiang Zhang and Lung Wang chose to work for a clever venture post their graduation. Before long, their own established programming organization began programming for exchanging calculations, becoming prestigious for the mastery. During this excursion, he additionally saw the colossal difficulties and bottlenecks the financial backers looked while exchanging cryptographic forms of money. He likewise saw that the center justification for these obstacles was that exchanges being public on blockchain additionally included OTC buys and that likewise administered the unpredictability and costs. An enormous trade-to-wallet deludes the financial backers while presenting inconvenience in OTC exchanging. Affluent financial backers were the most obviously terrible hit, thus turned into the beginning of REN, a habitual beginning. For understanding REN, figuring out what dull pool means is fundamental. As the name legitimizes, the pool implies the buy and dim means unknown. Financial backers can get misdirected in OTC business sectors overwhelmingly of resources secretly. The focal stage around which REN works is called RENVM, for example, REN Virtual Machine. All trades that occur on REN across blockchains have a RENVM advantage. The hubs are enabled by RENVM to compute, validate, and process the cross-chain crypto guidelines. These hubs are designated dark nodes. The whole biological system of these works around a logical calculation that disperses the orders in little portions so the hubs are not made mindful of the whole measure of exchange. This improves security, particularly in light of the fact that RENVM works on Ethereum and all exchanges on handled utilizing ERC20. So principally, the token REN has two tasks to perform. 1. To pay the exchanging charges for orders made on RENVM. And 2. To pay bonds to the Enlistment Center, a shrewd agreement that oversees dark nodes in the REN biological system. Decentralization gets guaranteed through shrewd agreement, as is dependability ensured by means of RENVM. In a differentiation to zero revelation and being an open source, RENVM freezing works with exchanges completely in a decentralized and trustless way, wiping out the chance of any pariahs or go-betweens. The crypto resources tokenized through RENVM are RENTC, RENCH, RENCC, and so on, and these are additionally between adaptable to the genuine digital money BTC, BCH, CEC, and so on. Furthermore, RENVM is conceptualized to the point that it tends to be incorporated by coders to other blockchains like Tezos. Discussing the progressions made in 2019, Wang had tweeted on Medium expressing, "Official name of Republic Convention is currently REN. This will be an avalanche improvement throughout the entire existence of REN, wherein the whole turn moves from decentralized dark pools to decentralized interoperability for blockchain." Further improvements included moving from RENVM mainnet, named freezing, to ChaosNet. The last year was intense, but not really for REN. In 2020, REN zeroed in on marking critical coalitions, a consortium of DEFI organizations and undertakings. REN associations, boards all over the planet are hurrying to institute regulation and guidelines to permit or make it simpler for organizations to complete beginning coin contributions or token issuances. Basically, REN isn't represented by any controller. It is fairly a distributed local area represented PC network comprised of clients, machines, or hubs enduring all financial recessionary tempests. The leading body of REN understood that the simple individual usefulness of activity isn't adequate and that development implies spreading the wings. So eminent names like Kyber Organization, Matic, Polychain Capital, and IDEX got added to take the convention to raised levels. These organizations ensured utility, security, and further upgraded RENVM. It wouldn't be an exaggeration to say that these coalitions brought a steady cluster of clients, financial backers, and designers to the REN project. REN as a token has been making critical cost changes on the lookout. Recorded on a greater part of trades, the symbolic shows a market cap of $386,752,402.11 and is right now having a course of 999,037,500 REN on the lookout. At the hour of composing this video, the ongoing cost of REN is exchanging around 38 cents. Despite the fact that numerous specialists consider that the coin could record a cost expansion in the impending years, there are numerous who devaluate this computerized resource, which is a decision for millions. The nerds have the accompanying differed conclusions and forecast on REN cost alongside its market cap to refer to. It totally relies upon the contender's development and the market state of mind, the manner by which the quantity of existing REN tokens are situated, The journey of 88 cents, best case scenario, can be anticipated. Ren cost forecast has really somersaulted somewhat recently, absolutely changing the pattern from the very start towards the year's end. Ren has had a notable excursion all through. All said and done, Ren's pattern has been very forceful, prompting an exceptionally hopeful way. The Ren cost might fill quickly, particularly for unions. New organizations would carry Ren to the spotlight, making it the middle stage for ventures and a socially regarded cryptographic money. Simultaneously, more exchanges will be executed as time passes, which might demonstrate an intense test for crypto opponents of Ren. Ren Value Forecast 2022. In light of one-year verifiable information and specialized examination, Ren concocted its own blockchain stage, changing itself from Ethereum base, getting enrolled in the significant cryptographic money trades of the world by end of 1 year. It wouldn't be an embellishment that this estimated cryptographic money could break every one of the hindrances and endure everyday hardships, scaling a pinnacle of 89 cents. With government-issued types of money unfit to support themselves directly following the pandemic, this could come as a respite for all Ren financial backers, driving them to the way of high expectations and goals to execute in Ren. For instructive purposes, one might peruse the Master Investigator's specialized examination and reports to remain refreshed with the figure of Ren at regular intervals. Toward the finish of 2022, the Ren cost could cross the 57 cents cost level. Ren Value Forecast 2023. According to our Ren cost figure, the Ren cost is anticipated to cross 58 cents by the start of 2023. The normal high for the year 2023 is 62 cents. And the low will be 51 cents. The typical Ren cost expectation for the finish of 2023 is 56 cents. Ren Value Expectation 2024. According to our Ren coin cost expectation, Ren is anticipated to cross 83 cents by the start of 2024. The normal high for the year 2024 is 61 cents, and the low will be 48 cents. The typical Ren cost expectation for the finish of 2024 is 55 cents. Ren Value Forecast 2025. With a touch of tolerance and keeping the expectations high in the long haul, financial backers can expect a circle back toward the finish of 2025, as the reception of Ren would develop dramatically. By when Ren would be not anymore a gullible participant in the realm of cryptographic forms of money, however a carefully prepared player at 85 cents. Ren Value Forecast 2026. Nonetheless, the start of 2026 implied Ren cost could offer a buy to all negative and cynical cost patterns for the universe of digital currencies, particularly for the Ren market. It could mean the beginning of a period of expectations and commitments loaded with good faith. In the realm of digital currencies like Ren, there could be a forecast of marvels. There could be wizardries in present moment as well. With pandemic immunization coming to the front, according to specialists' expectations, it might mean a blast time for Ren. Financial backers of digital currencies generally plan for the long haul as opposed to the present moment. Toward the finish of 2026, the Ren cost could cross the 74 cents cost level. Ren, start of an incredible adventure. Digital money exchanging is difficult for the new amateurs. Joining the crypto pool for new swimmers could be a gigantic undertaking.